Today start a new chemical reaction of ether. Look here all of you, 1 minute. According to board, some part of the syllabus are deleted or removed due to COVID-19. आपल्याला बोर्डाने काही निर्देश दिलेले आहेत आणि आपला 2020 आणि 21 या वर्षाच्या सिलेबस मध्ये आपणाला प्रत्येक चॅप्टरचे किमान 25% हा सिलेबस कमी केलेला आहे. जे आपले अगोदर चॅप्टर झालेले असतील त्याही चॅप्टर मध्ये 25% सिलेबस कमी झालेला आहे. जो सिलेबस कमी झालेला आहे तो सिलेबस मी तुम्हाला आपल्या ग्रुपवर पाठवत आहे किंवा काही शिक्षकांनी तो पाठवलेला सुद्धा आहे. पण या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इथर मध्ये लॅबोरेटरी टेस्ट ऑफ इथर दिस पार्ट इज डिलीटेड. Okay, the next part is a reaction involving alkyl group of ether, means reaction formation of the peroxide. Formation of peroxide. Look here, simple diethyl ether. CH3, CH2, oxygen, CH2, CH3. Name of the compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Okay, diethyl ether is reacted with atmospheric oxygen. Atmospheric oxygen. Okay, compound CH3, CHOOH, like this carbon atom. Next everybody, oxygen. Next CH2. Next is the CH3. Peroxide of diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Actually, all of you, this reaction, new reaction in this syllabus. New reaction. This is not an old reaction. Okay, this is the new reaction introduced in the new syllabus here. Look here, diethyl ether is reacted with the atmospheric oxygen. Atmospheric oxygen gives a peroxide of diethyl ether. You know, many ether react with atmospheric oxygen to formation of the peroxide compounds. Look here, a peroxide compound are hazardous. Peroxide compounds are hazardous due to, a violent reactions. Due to a violent reaction or decompose violently at a high temperature. At high temperature. Okay? The formation of peroxide. Formation of peroxide. Okay? Yes. Look here, a next reaction, second. This is a simple reaction. Second, a reaction involving CO bond. Reaction involving CO bond. Reaction involving CO bond. CO bond. Okay, yes. Okay. Look here, first reaction with, first reaction with hot. Okay, dilute H2SO4 solution. Reaction with hot, dilute H2SO4. Okay, dilute sulfuric acid. This reaction is hydrolysis reaction. Reaction is hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis reaction. Look here, simple. Everybody, a ether there are two types. One part is a simple ether, second part is a mixed ether. One part is a simple ether, second part is a mixed ether. A simple ether A simple ether. Simple ether. You know general reaction in case of simple ether. Fen ether, ROR, is hydrolyzed by heating with. Is hydrolyzed by a heating with. Okay? By using dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4. Correct? Like this. It gives only alcohol. It gives only alcohols. Only alcohols. Repeat all of you. Fen ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. Heating with a dilute H2SO4, it gives corresponding alcohols. It gives corresponding alcohol. Only alcohol. Correct? Okay. Look here, a simple reaction next. Next reaction, all of you. Next. Okay, first example, dimethyl ether. CH3OCH3, dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Look at when dimethyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. It gives, okay, only methyl alcohol CH3OH. Only a methyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, repeat. When dimethyl ether. Look here, when dimethyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. It gives methyl alcohol. Okay, a second reaction. You know second reaction? Okay, second reactions. Look here, when diethyl ether, C2H5, OC2H5, diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. When diethyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4, it gives twice C2H5. Okay, OH, name of the compound ethyl alcohol. Name of the compound ethyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Repeat all of you. Look here. What happens when diethyl ether on acidic hydrolysis? On acidic hydrolysis. Answer, when diethyl ether is hydrolyzed with, okay, hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4, it gives ethyl alcohol. It gives ethyl alcohol. Okay? Yes. Look here next. Next is the mixed ether. Next example, B, mixed ether. Okay, B, mixed ether. Mixed ether. Look here, all of you, a mixed ether, here ROR. Like this, pen mixed ether. Hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. Heating with dilute H2SO4. Yes, 3O plus heating. Correct? Yes. Look here, product here. It uses mixture of alcohol ROH plus R-OH. Look here, what is this? This is the alcohols. What is this? This is the alcohols. Correct? Look here, repeat. When mixed ether. When mixed ether is hydrolyzed by heating with, okay, dilute H2SO4. It gives a mixture of alcohols. Mixture of alcohols. Correct? Okay. Look here, a simple specific examples here. Like this. When ethyl methyl ether. CH3OC2H5. Name of the compound ethyl. Ethyl methyl ether. Look here, when ethyl methyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. It uses mixture of first methyl alcohol CH3OH. Methyl alcohol. Second, C2H5OH, name of the compound ethyl alcohol. ethyl alcohol. Look here, all of you repeat. Repeat here. Phen ethyl methyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. It gives a mixture of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Okay, this is the simple reactions. Okay. No difficulty in this reaction. No difficulties. Simple reaction. Only concept. Look here. Next example. Next example. Isopropyl methyl ether. Isopropyl methyl ether CH3OCH3. Correct? Yeah, CH3. Isopropyl methyl ether. Isopropyl methyl ether. Phen isopropyl methyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. It gives the mixture of, first methyl alcohol. CH3OH, name of the compound methyl alcohol, plus isopropyl alcohol CH3OH, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, explain this reaction here. Explain, simple. Phen isopropyl methyl ether. Phen isopropyl methyl ether is hydrolyzed by heating with dilute H2SO4. In old syllabus, everybody under pressure. But new syllabus, no under pressure. Okay. A lot of the change in the different types of the reaction in new syllabus books. Okay, it gives the mixture of a methyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. Look here, a most important reaction next. In mixed ether, okay, phen anisole. Anisole means CH3 oxygen C6H5, name of the compound anisole. Anisole. Hydrolyzed by heating with. Correct? Okay, heating. H3O plus. It gives phenol. Okay, C6H5OH, name of this compound phenol. Plus methyl alcohol. CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Look here, simple all of you. They explain the reaction phen anisole on hydrolysis by using the dilute H2SO4. It gives phenol and methyl alcohol. Look here, complete this. Okay, reaction with hot and dilute H2SO4. This is the hydrolysis reaction. Okay, stop here.